Okay, this is a problem to be very careful and detail-oriented on. So it says we're going to simplify this. Okay, and it says to write your answer in standard form. So that means we're going to start from the largest exponent and go to the smallest exponent, but we're going to take care of that at the end. So the first thing I notice is that this, right, this polynomial is just, it's grouped in parentheses, not really for any reason. But these parentheses, this second set of parentheses, really do mean something because everything inside that second set of parentheses is being subtracted, right? Everything inside the second set of parentheses is being subtracted. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to rewrite this without parentheses. So what that means is for this first one, I'm just copying. I just literally copied what was inside the parentheses. But for the second one, this negative sign applies to everything inside the parentheses because it's in front of the parentheses. So this means I'm subtracting 3n. I'm subtracting negative 2n to the fourth. And remember when I have a double negative like this, it turns into a positive. So this becomes plus 2n to the fourth. Okay, and I'm subtracting, this is positive 6n to the third, but I'm subtracting it so it becomes negative. So it looks like this. Okay, I'm now going to go through, I'm going to combine like terms. Okay, and I notice there's a 10n to the fourth right here, and there's a 2n to the fourth right here. So 10 plus 2, that's 12n to the fourth. And notice I'm underlining as I go, and the reason I'm doing it is so I don't miss anything, right? So here's negative 5n. I'm looking for another, right? Notice like terms are the same variable and exponent. So I had, on this one and this one, I had n to the fourth, so those were like terms. So now I'm looking for another term with just an n, and it's right here. So negative 5 and negative 3, that's a total of 8 negatives. It's negative 8n. And then I see here I have negative 7n to the second power. And notice I didn't combine it with anything because these are not like terms. One of these, look, this has a 2 and this has a 3. They are not like terms. They have different exponents. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and write it in standard form. So that means I take my largest exponent, right? My largest exponent is a 4. Okay, so I've done this one, and I'm just going to make sure I keep track of it. Now this is my next largest exponent. This is an exponent of 3. This is my next largest exponent. And this is my final, right? This is technically an exponent of 1, and that's going to be my final term. Okay, so this is the answer you're going to put in Edulastic.